So that woodshed we had here, and we're wanting to put it on top of George. We're figuring we're gonna put it right back in there. So that way we've got this path so that we can drive the backhoe back up into the backyard, because we've got weird water flow things going on back there. So that will be the new home of the woodshed that was there. Starting to get dark, so we won't get to move it today, but we're hoping to get the posts out at least. So here we are again, working on it today. We've got the other two posts out, so Tiffany's going to try and move it across the creek. So Tiffany is out here digging out where the woodshed is gonna go. Everybody's buying their girlfriends or wives or whoever chocolates and jewelry and days at the spa and stuff like that. Let's face it, what every girl really wants is some kind of heavy equipment. I'll stand right over here, because then I can get in there quick.
If it's a matter of you going in that quick, I don't want you going under.
I could just get a nail gun and stand over here and shoot at it. Good boy. Good boy, George. Hello there. Hello there. Good boy. All right, let's watch this, George. Let's watch this. Huh? Yeah. Hello. Hello. We are very confidence-inspiring here with our woodshed is coming together. Oh man.
It's fairly level.
Not bad.
I mean, it's about as level as it was.
Yeah, I'd say it's about where it was. So it's a little rainy out here, but we've finished the woodshed. So we buried our posts, reinforced the tops, and started stacking wood in here already. You get to hear that rain on a metal roof. But see now, with this here, we have room to drive a backhoe or a truck right up into the backyard and access up there. There it is. That's what we were trying to accomplish.